What's up, guys? Let's talk a little Bitcoin. Market is crashing a little bit more. Let's talk about why, and let's talk about the future here, guys. The potential. Let's get into it. BTC right now down to 62.4, guys. Down 7.1% on the day. Why is that? Well, we're going to talk about it a little bit, guys. Let's see what happened here. Let's see what happened. You might be asking why your altcoins are crashing. Well, they crash with Bitcoin. And as we see, just in $130 million liquidated from crypto market after Iran launched an attack on Israel. So more downside pressure due to political and political problems. But that's the downside, guys. What's the upside? Let's have a look. There is some bullish silver lining here. China is about to start bidding. Will Hong Kong's Bitcoin ETF spark a halving rally? Well, guys, we covered earlier this morning in the live stream that Hong Kong is already advertising in their subways the spot Bitcoin ETFs that they're supposed to announce the approval of on Monday. So let's talk about it. Mega whales with over 10,000 BTC are accumulating ahead of Hong Kong's approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs that could happen next week. The potential approval of the first batch of spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds in Hong Kong could be a big catalyst for Bitcoin. The halving rally commentators say Hong Kong could approve 4 Bitcoin ETF approvals before the halving. The Security Regulations Commission of Hong Kong, SFC, could approve the first batch of spot Bitcoin ETFs by April 15th. This before the Bitcoin halving is set to cut the supply issuance rate of BTC. The Hong Kong regulator has reportedly accelerated the approval process for 4 spot Bitcoin ETFs, according to local news media reports. The potential approval could attract more buying demand for Bitcoin by offering BTC exposure to both retail and institutional investors in Hong Kong. Hong Kong regulators could approve both Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs on April 15th, according to crypto entrepreneur and investor Lark Davis, who wrote on April 12th on an X post, quote, Hong Kong likely to approve both Bitcoin and Ethereum spot Bitcoin ETFs soon as Monday. China is about to start bidding the same week the Bitcoin halving is happening. It will take approximately 2 weeks to finalize ETF listings, procedures, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange. After the securities regulator greenlights the initial set of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Can ETFs spark Bitcoin post-halving bull run? Well, the approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETFs in Hong Kong could catalyze Bitcoin's post-halving rally, according to Herbert Sim, Chief Operating Officer of crypto exchange WebC, who told Cointelegraph, quote, halving is not the only thing to look for out of price action, but rather the upcoming Bitcoin ETF approval in Hong Kong, which also happens next week. The big banks of China will all have to start buying Bitcoin themselves too. Sim noted that Hong Kong-based ETFs will only add to the institutional demand and inflows created by large U.S. ETF issuers such as BlackRock, which he expects to continue. He added, quote, and with this supply cut from the Bitcoin halving's prices will definitely soar. Large investors, or so-called mega whales, are holding at least 10,000 BTC, are accumulating Bitcoin at their current price level. In anticipation of next week's approval, according to popular crypto commentators, Bitcoin mongers on April 12th, X post, quote, the only cohort that is net accumulating Bitcoin is the largest whales, 10K plus, just ahead of Hong Kong's ETF approval and the halving. A positive contrarian signal, if I had to guess. ETF inflows have been a significant part of Bitcoin's price rally. By February 15th, Bitcoin ETFs accounted for about 75% of the new investments in the world's largest cryptocurrency, as it surpassed the $50,000 mark, according to Crypto Quant's research. Bitcoin's price action has been closely correlated with the Bitcoin ETF inflows, according to Thomas Furrer, the co-founder of Apollo, who wrote in an April 12th X post referencing the below chart. He says, I would have thought it extremely obvious that ETF flows are driving Bitcoin's price. Exactly. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I have more opinions on this that I will be uploading a little bit later, but Hong Kong set to approve spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs is going to start to drive the price about 2 weeks after approval. Like the article says, just like in the US, it took about 2 weeks to get the product out to market and to start to see price action in Bitcoin. So somewhere around the beginning to middle of May, we should start to see some good upside pressure inflows from Hong Kong's ETFs combined with the United States ETFs. So we're going to talk more about it a little bit later, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, click the join button to become a member of the channel. Get in on members only live streams, microcap gems. You want to get into early. We have over 260 members, very like-minded community there to help you with your exit strategies, your profit taking, your crypto portfolio, and more. Click the join button for that, guys. And yeah, follow me on X, join the Discord. Again, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.